Disney's Vero Beach Resort Room Tour, Deluxe in-room, ocean view. When most older adults and seniors think of Florida, for many, the first two things that come to mind are Walt Disney World and the beaches. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney, and this beach is actually just north of Vero Beach, Florida, where today we have everyone's favorite, a room tour. Today we look at one of the many different types of accommodations here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort from a senior's perspective, the Deluxe in-room ocean view unit. I filmed this when Nancy and I arrived for our several night stay right after our cruise on the Disney Fantasy. If you have stayed at this resort, please let us know in the comments what type of room you stayed in and your opinion of it. And please remember to click the like button and share this video so other seniors will watch. Thank you. And now, let's begin. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney, and here we are at Disney's Vero Beach Resort, Vero Beach, Florida. That is the lobby, but that's not the purpose of this video. Today, we have a room tour, fan favorite, and this is of room 2222 at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Come on inside, let's take a look. All right, so immediately to the immediate left, we have, and we've used this before, Nancy and I, 5 nice hooks to hang our coats, our jackets, our hoodies right there, so we have them when we're ready to go out. And a nice ledge here for things like your really cute room key. Look at that, isn't that cute? All right, to the left, we've got the microwave, kitchenette area, refrigerator. Let's see how cold it is. This is a cooler or an actual refrigerator. I call this more a cooler, but you do have adjustable there. Okay, here's the kitchenette area. You've got the microwave, small on the small side. And we have actual coffee mugs, not the paper kind, plates, bowls. Do have plastic cutlery. Do have the toaster. Close that up. Keurig coffee maker. Answer that question with, again, some K-Pods there. This is not a refrigerator. It's more of a cooler. Pretty cool, but for those of you that have medications needs to be stored in a very cool area, you might have to ask guest services for a colder space for yourself. All right, continuing. On the left is a large, there we go, with my jacket already up there, a large closet with a safe. The safe not overly, it's not deep at all. See, there's my hand, fits right there. But it's tall, depending on the size of your laptop or tablet, you'd be able to put those in there. Security, wallets for sure. Let's close that up. And before we go into the living area, let's turn right and go to the bathroom. So it's not a split bathroom type like the Disney Cruise Line has, for example, or at some of the newer Disney resorts like Disney's Riviera Resort, but it is separate sink here. And again, a bit of pet peeve for me, single sink when there's two people staying here. That's disappointing. However, deep drawers, very deep, which is really, really nice. And as far as the enclosed part itself, yes, you've got a full mirror there. Let's open it up. Toilet. A cubby here with some face cloths. It is not a walk-in shower. I know some of you prefer that, but it is a tub there. And with the standard Disney products, with the Sea Marine shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So a combination shower and tub. All right. Let's now go into the main living area. And it's a huge living area. One of the nice things we enjoy about coming here is the studios. This is a Deluxe Studio INN preferred view or ocean view. And it is huge. It's great. for us. Again, there is the Murphy bed. Very nice scene, and we know who these two are, don't we? And let's see what it's like if we open it up. And again, look on one hand. There we go. Okay, so more really nice picture here. More again from the Finding Nemo, Finding Dory series. Really nice. Okay, let's put that back up. Again, all with one hand. And again, you can always ask front desk someone to give you a hand. They will be more than happy to do it. Okay, what's next? Well, let's continue along here. Pretty cute pictures with the nice theming. Now, sadly, one of my pet peeves, and especially in a room with this size and this depth. What's missing? Certainly, they would have room for 2 nightstands, but no, just 1 nightstand. And of course, it's on my side of the bed that's missing that nightstand. So where would I put my medications, my eyeglasses, I'm going to charge my cell phone, so on, my watch. So again, that is disappointing. With the 1 nightstand that's here, it's very large. And deep drawers. And it does have 2 USB outlets and 2 electrical outlets. So that's nice. And I'll mention this, a small corded phone. You know, some of the rooms, they have these huge corded phones take up most or all of the nightstand. Not here. Nicely done. A small corded phone. That is a huge mattress there, which is nice. There's the dresser with 2 sets of 3 drawers. And side by side pair of electrical outlets together with a pair of USB outlets. Okay, I should have mentioned it here. Again, another mirror and more storage. So very nice on the storage. 2 comfortable chairs, large table, lamp. And then this is why you pay more of the Disney Vacation Club points for the view. Look at that. And so last year Nancy and I were on the 3rd floor. This year we're on the 2nd floor. And this actually makes a world of difference. Usually we prefer the higher floors, but here, first off, look at this deck. It's huge, massive. And then right here, nice view of the Atlantic Ocean. Now this room, to be fair, it is right next to the main lounge here. So we'll see how noisy that gets in the evening. Again, very pretty grounds. And this is why you come here asking for a room that has a view of the ocean. Okay, so one more look of the standard or in studio with the ocean view here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Very spacious, very spacious. Look at all that room. But again, it's not perfect. Noted some of the deficiencies in our opinion that would make our stay, and the stay of most seniors, older adults staying here, much better. Huge lanai. Now, if you want to compare this unit to the 3rd floor in studio, INN, they're classified by Disney, the in studio ocean view. Here's a link to that video from last year. Click on that right now. Or here's another video from our Disney-related travel channel for older adults and seniors. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.